Hello guys, wanna know how to find nutrient information on Android using your Google Assistant? Let's get started. I will show you how to do it in just a couple of steps. Firstly, make sure that Google Assistant is activated. Open the Settings app, click on it, and here scroll down to the Google tab. Click on it, and here go to the All Services. Then scroll down, open Search Assistant and Voice, and here click on Google Assistant, then on the voice match, and make sure that this toggle is blue. So then just say, "Hey Google," and activate your Google Assistant. So let's ask our assistant about calories in a food item. So, "Hey Google, how many calories is in a burger?"
The number of calories in a burger can vary significantly depending on several factors, including the size of the patty, the type of meat used, the bun, and any added toppings and condiments. Here's a general breakdown. Plain burger, patty and bun. A basic hamburger with a 4-ounce beef patty and a white bun.
Then let's find out sugar or other nutrient amounts. "Hey Google, how much sugar is in Sprite?"
A 12-ounce, 355 milliliters, can of regular Sprite typically contains around 38 grams of sugar. This is roughly equivalent to 9 teaspoons of sugar in a single can.
And let's calculate macros in a 150 beef burger. "Hey Google, how much is of protein, fat, and carbs in a 150 grams of beef burger?"
A 150 grams beef burger's macronutrient content can vary depending on the leanness of the beef. Here's a general estimate for a typical beef burger patty, around 80% lean. Protein, approximately 22 to 28 grams. Fat, approximately 23 to 25 grams, 9 to 11 grams saturated fat. Carbohydrates, generally 0 grams. It's important to note that this is just for the beef patty itself. Adding a bun, cheese, and other toppings.
So now you know, guys, how to find nutrient information using Android Assistant. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.